Hello everyone, we are at the CIRP General Assembly in Stockholm. I met with an old colleague of mine from Seco Tools. He's called Rachid Msaoubi, and we'll have a friendly chat with him in front of you, and you'll hopefully you'll have some insights on what Seco Tools and what Rachid has been working on, and also what productive machines is doing for the industry after this chat. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you, and
Yeah.
thank you for the invitation.
Yeah, maybe you can introduce yourself very briefly
Yes.
so that the audience knows you better.
Yes, thank you, Erdem, for this kind invitation. My name is Rachid Msaoubi. I work at Seco Tools in Sweden within a department called Material Research and Technology. My role at Seco Tools is to develop competence in the area of expertise that I have, which is machining research, where I work closely with different departments within Seco to bring competence and knowledge in this area, and also work in developing partnerships and collaborations with academic partners, research institutes, and companies such as Productive Machine in this area of machining.
Yeah, it's very important role. I did a presentation on Wednesday. I said it takes a village to bring a technology to the market. So we need like partnerships, collaborations with academia and industry to bring the latest technologies to the market. And I see that you are playing a key role there.
Absolutely, I try to contribute, even if modestly, to this foundation, and we recognize at Seco the extreme importance of actually partnering with technology providers, collaborators, customers as well, to develop our solutions so that we can enhance the productivity of our customers and also address the challenges posed by manufacturing today. So some good example is raising the importance of achieving sustainable manufacturing, which is something that one of the top priorities of Seco Tools, and in areas, for example, related to sustainable development. So these are challenges that we are driving, and this we cannot do it alone. We have to obviously cooperate, collaborate, so that we can achieve all this.
Yeah, sustainability is becoming really important. Although industry, I think, is a bit lagging, but the regulations are coming, so now industry has to embrace sustainable manufacturing.
Yes, for sure, we need to embrace it more and more, and along with these challenges posed by scarcity of resources, climate change, we need to. We have Seco Tools. As we're part of a wider group called Sandvik, we are developing and implementing new strategies for addressing these challenges. And along these needs, we also recognize the need to transforming our industry, and one of the aspects is obviously digital transformation in manufacturing, and resulting to the use of advanced method in manufacturing to address this important challenge.
Yeah. When you say digital, I immediately thought about productive machines. Maybe I can ask you, what do you think productive machines can do for the industry from your personal point of view?
Certainly, in many of the applications, when we work closely with our customers, they want to achieve part first time with good quality, and often in the domain of high-value manufacturing, whether this is the aerospace sector, energy, or even medical sector, of course, sectors of strategic importance for Seco, we need to develop machining solutions and machining strategies which can minimize cycle time, enhance productivity of the customer, but also deliver quality. And these aspects we require to have also, as we develop those cutting strategies, access to models, softwares which enable to achieve this in the digital framework before we put our solutions on the shop floor.
Yeah, I agree. Totally. Yeah. So that's what we are aiming to do as well. I am happy that we have been working together for a long time, and hopefully we'll work even closer in the future.
For sure, absolutely. And I can only say that we're very happy that we have engaged now for a number of years with Productive Machine. in the context of the IMRC, where Seco is present, but also within our global innovation hub. Seco is setting now since several years different innovation hubs. One in the UK, for example, closely working on manufacturing in the aerospace and medical sector. Another one in Germany that just was inaugurated last year. And these are examples where we can work within these innovation hubs to actually establish partnerships with technology providers, whether these are machine tool builders, companies providing metrology, or companies providing software such as CAM, for example, software, or solutions such as the ones offered by Productive Machines. So.
Yeah, and also fresh news is that now we will start working on a Swedish collaborative research projects together with Seco. Absolutely. Including some other members like Sandvik, University of Lund.
Yes, and colleagues from also a company called GKN Aerospace in the south of Sweden, and it's going to be a fantastic opportunity to put to practice this software engineering to actually try to tackle the challenge of machining very difficult alloys. We're just setting the project right now, so we cannot say too much about it, but it's something where we look forward to work closely with Erdem and his team to try to advance the implementation of our solutions in manufacturing.
Yeah, we are looking forward to that as well. So great to see you again.
Likewise,
and now we are in your home country, Sweden.
Yes, it's fantastic to be here, and it's a short ride for me here in Sweden, but I'm really happy to have the opportunity to meet Erdem and continue this journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rachid.
Thank you.